every day he's not released in the time. Not they don't put him on the prison, but they tie his one room, and every day he have to be tied like that. And in the 27 days, the leader of the military uh, asking him about the same question, and say, "This is your final day to confess and to show us where is your gun, because we already dig your grave over there." And somebody was dig a grave, and you have to confess at 12 o'clock tonight. If you don't confess, you'll die. You will die. The military commander said, and then he said, "If you want to shoot me on, or you want to kill me, just kill me right now. No problem." And then the military angry, and then still punch him and beat him. And then the military officer go out, and then a few minutes before the deadline, he can release himself. He can release himself, and then he ran away from the post. That was the story why he escaped. He survived until today.
Wow.
Jadi waktu itu udah ini ya, bisa melarikan diri waktu itu ya. Itu makanya sampai sekarang bisa selamat.
Ya.
So,
Berarti kira aja jika dan judan juan kali began buah kayak guru juga. Jajo ni buah ya guru tipe guru berarti alih dari belum ada dari depan dong ya. Lewat lepati hotel begayan ya guru. Berarti kada mayang-mayang. Di po daerah po tiblah lagi. Ibu gede uyu. Mak balon dengan mayang.
Di atas pos tinggi depan yang tinggal suruh dilihat bukti lubang yang tinggal itu.
alinya?
Alinya udah dengan guru pun wayan. Yang jika julam. Jaro-jaro yang jika mendum nanti ipegah di daneon ni yang kau iduan kayu boleh. Ke daneon. Ilo lum berarti bro. Matian ali lum kira ayu. Kapi mati meleng. Merati dengan merati.
Tasbih.
Dengan bereh pona mati kai kau deku. Pahal mau delon dari kan dipel. Jika yo dipel. Lum pulau lum tabawam dong.
Alinya bisa dibuka semua jadinya ya.
Kanyan lum pulau mati ka po 12 urang pu minit. Karai kan tahu betul. Lum pulau junyo. Lum pulau jaro-jaro, celak jaro yo punggung kono. Ka baju. Pulau dak lagi. Rentuk ke nyo tempat mayang. No rinyun mati dah
Hand in the back, and then just put on